Today, I'm introducing a Japanese Bishoujo Plastic Model kit you can buy right now. It's cheap, easy to build, and absolutely gorgeous. Let me introduce this idol from Bandai. My name is Garage de Puramodaru. My voice might sound like a cute girl, but actually, I'm just an old guy living in Japan. So, about today's video. The competition for new plastic models has been so fierce lately, it's almost impossible to get one. So, I came up with a new project for the channel. This is the second installment of a project to introduce kits that are already released, easy to find with great distribution, are top tier in quality, and are super affordable. The item we're reviewing today is the Bandai 30-Minute Sisters, Tsukioka Kogane. Now, let's take a look inside the box. She comes with 3 face patterns. And the printing quality is absolutely stunning. The brown parts are the hair. You can see the multi-layered, 3-dimensional structure. It really shows off Bandai's technical prowess. It's like she truly stepped out of the anime world. Since the total number of parts is small, she snaps together very easily. The 30-Minute Sisters series, true to its name, can be built in about 30 minutes. It's a very casual model kit. The instruction manual lists the parts by name and provides instructions using numbers and English letters. It's very easy to follow. The diagrams are also 3-dimensional, so even if you don't understand Japanese, you can build it without any problems. The parts are made of PS plastic. They can be removed by hand, but using nippers will give you a cleaner finish. You get 8 runners in total, plus the skirt parts, 1 sheet of decals, the face parts, and the manual. That's everything. Let's lay out the runners. There are some small pieces, so be careful with those. The skin color is color A, which is the standard skin tone according to Bandai's setting. For your reference, color B is pale skin, and color C is darker skin. Now, let's talk about the kit's insane engineering. Her arms and legs are made from a single piece, not a clamshell leg structure. They are jointed smoothly just like a real human. There are no unnatural seam lines. While there are the usual sprue marks from the factory, the seamless construction is an amazing feat of technology. Bandai put a lot of focus on the individual height and body shape of the Idol Master characters. Different parts were used to perfectly replicate each one. Tsukioka Kogane is tall and has an exceptional figure, boasting the largest bust size in the series. This is faithfully reproduced using dedicated parts. It's absolutely wonderful. The most notable aspect is the structure of the main body itself. It recreates an astonishing form with a complex 3D puzzle-like design. The color separation is almost perfect. Just by snapping her together, you get the cute girl from the box art. Yet the part count is so low. I have no idea how the designer managed this. Once you build her, you'll understand it's pure magic. Since it's an articulated model, you can pose her like a human to a certain extent. It's just incredible. Building her is fun all by itself. You can easily buy her on Amazon Japan. She is also easily available using global shipping. The price is around 2,500 Japanese yen. Other 30ms bodies and hand and feet sets can cost over 5,000 yen separately. Since Kogane includes a full set, she's an absolute bargain. She's an idol, so she's cute from every angle. I put her in various poses, so let's take a look. The outfit is so cute, the design is wonderful. It's so much fun posing her because she's just so cute. This is truly a price breakthrough. It's so cheap. I've included the Amazon link in the description box below. Please be careful as some sellers list the kit at a higher price. I am sure you will be satisfied with this kit. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, hitting the like button, and leaving a comment. I will do my best to provide guides in English as much as possible from now on. Thank you for your support!